Today we'll learn how to use Excel to create a table and graph to analyze how sun exposure affect plant height. We'll use data from an experiment where we measure the height of plants growing and the different levels of sunlight. Now open Excel and create a new workbook. Enter the headers. Number of days, no sun, shade, sun, full sun. These are the different conditions in this experiment, or variables. Now let's populate the table. Number of days, no sun, shade, sun, full sun. The last column we need to enter manually. Now let's format the table. So first bold the headers. Then centerline the text. The last step, add borders to make the table look neat. Let's create the graph. Select the data range, including the headers. Then go to the Insert tab and click on Recommended Charts. Now go to Line All Charts and Line Chart and choose the graph that reflects the data in the table. And this is the graph that looks like correct. Enlarge a little bit. Now we need to add a title to the graph. Plant height versus sun exposures versus plant height. Then we need label the X and Y axis. Click on the plus sign, tick the axis titles. The x-axis represents the independent variable, which is number of days. The y-axis represents the plant height in centimeters. Now you learn the procedure to enter data, create a table, generate graph, and analyze graph in Excel. You can use Excel anytime you need to turn data into graph for your own experiments. Here's the question for you. The variables we investigate in this experiment is plant growth and sun exposure. What are the controlled variables for this experiment? Share your ideas at the comment areas. Thanks for watching.